Namaste yogis, welcome back to our channel Indian Yoga with Krishna. I'm your Guru Krishna. So guys, as you know, we are doing this 30 days yoga challenge for beginners or intermediate who wanted to learn something new. You want to do actually the proper class, then you are the right place. And today is our 8th day class, so don't miss any part. And if you haven't done the last 7 days class, no worry, just do today this one, and then you can go and watch other first to 7th days, and then you can learn that part too. So now today what we are doing in this class. So first, as you know, we start our class with the stretching and the Surya Namaskar part. But I already we did already 4 days, like first day to 4th day already did that. So I hope till now you already learned all that part. So just finish that part, and then you can start and do the yoga poses with me. So today we are doing directly with the yoga poses. So before we start, I want to request you, please, as you know, our channel is very new, and really I want to request you, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you get more video updates just like this one, because this is just a start. I just made it start. After some time we'll do so many other videos too, and really I have just say you don't want to miss that videos too. So now let's start with the yoga poses. First yoga pose that we are doing, that's called Chanki Chalanasana or mill churning pose. So how we do it? Let's do it. First, sit here, wide open your legs like this one, okay? And first I'll just do once, and then I'll elaborate you, exactly explain you how you do it with me, and then we do it together, okay? So now just know how it looks like. Now let me explain you how we do it, with proper breathing technique. So first here, just breathe in, and while breathe out, go like the side bend, and till here mid of the the center of your yoga mat, till here is a breathe out, and from here while coming back like this one, expanding your chest and putting the pressure on your stomach, that time it's a breathe in. So you're going like forward, then it's a breathe out. When you're coming to the back side, then it's a breathe in. So let's do it 5 times with the clockwise, 5 times with the anti-clockwise, okay? But you should do at least 7 to 10 times. So first breathe in here, and while breathe out in the center now. So from here it's a breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. 3, 4, breathe out, and last one. Now anti-clock. First breathe in and breathe out, breathe in, one more. Okay, you do it at least 7 to 10 times, and keep in mind this here, wide open your legs. Don't wide too much that you can't keep your balance, and don't be too close, okay? So it's a kind of just edge of your yoga mat. Just put your legs, your heel, just edge of your yoga mat. So this one, the Chakri Chalanasana or mill churning pose, and then now next one is Noka Sanchalan, or you can say the board rowing pose. So first, as I just do it, and then I'll explain you, and then we do together, okay? First, okay. So how we do it? Now you see how it looks like when you do it. Let me explain you. First, here is breathing, and while breathe out, you're going forward, and while breathing, you're coming on the back. So keep in mind, it's a when you're going forward, breathe out, coming back, it's a breathe in. So just sync with your rhythm with your action. While you're doing it, don't mess up and don't go breathe in and breathe out. So keep in mind, keep the rhythm, keep the the circle of breathe and your yoga asanas. So first let's breathe in And while breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. So it's a 5 times. Let's do anti-clock 5 times. First breathe in, and while breathe out. Now it's breathe in and breathe out. Okay, keep in mind, don't go too far back, otherwise you will lose your balance and your legs will be in air. So keep in mind, you have to be your heel should be on yoga mat, not in air. So this is how we do the next one, that board, robin pose. Now let's do some of the other yoga. Okay, now next one we're gonna do, that's called Supta Vajrasana, or in English you will say sleeping hero pose. So for that we have to sit on the Vajrasana pose, the first, that sitting position. This is called Supta Vajrasana, and from here you will go backside sleeping while taking support of your hands. So first is here is breathe normal, go slowly backside like this, and then on yoga mat and be here. Now so breathe in and hold this position for 10 seconds. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now slowly while breathe out. Now from here it's breathe normal and relax here. Relax here for 10 to 15 seconds, then go one more time. But you have to do at least 3 times. If you're new, do it at least 3 times. I show you once. Now you have to do it at least 3 times. Now the next one. The next one, that's called fish pose, or in Hindi is a Matsyendrasana. For that we have to do in the lotus pose. So first we have to sit in lotus pose. You know how to sit in lotus pose. If you don't know, then watch some other videos of my channel and you will find how to sit in, but this is the lotus pose. Okay, so here the same, the last one we sitting in Vajrasana, then we went back. Now here in this one we sit in the lotus pose and then we go on back. So first let's go on here. Still here is breathe normal. Keep in mind, it's breathe normal, breathe normal. Here is a breathe normal. Now take support of your hands, your elbow, and then lift your stomach. Okay, and then keep there, and at that time your elbow and your head should be touching on yoga mat, and your hips and then your legs part, but your the other part like your back and your stomach, this area should not be, not even the shoulder touching to yoga mat. So let's do it how it looks like. First let's breathe in and go upstairs and hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, slowly touch your back and relax. Here's breathe normal again. Now let's do one more time. Now this time hold your breathe or position at least for 15 seconds. Okay? So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Now relax. Do it at least 3 times. One more. Let's do it at least one more time. Okay? And then open your lotus pose, legs straight, and relax. Now the next one, for that you have to turn around and lay down on stomach like this one. We're going to do 2 more yoga poses here. One is Chaturanga Dandasana, that's mean 4 limbed staff pose, and the next one is upward facing dog pose or Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. So first let's do the 4 limbed staff pose. So first here for Chaturanga Dandasana, in here just put your hands side of your shoulder line and then lift your body like this one and hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slow it down and relax. In this position, no other part should be touched on yoga mat, only your hands and your thumbs and your fingers of your legs. Okay, and hold this position. Let's do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and slowly down and relax. Now finish Chaturanga Dandasana or four-limbed the staff pose. Now the next one, that's called Udhara Mukha Svanasana, or as you know, upward facing dog pose. So let's do that. That's a kind of the cobra pose, but it's different from that. In cobra pose we touch our stomach, our thighs and everything, but here we don't touch anything. We touch only our legs, our fingers and thumbs and our hands. That's it. So how we do it? Let's do it first. I'll show you while breathing. Like this one. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly down. And relax. Let's do it one more time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly down. Okay, now we done today's yoga pose. Now we do the pranayama. So guys, today we are we're gonna do something very new pranayam that we never ever done before in this particularly in this 7 to 8 days class. So today we are learning. That's one is the Seethli, another one is Sitkari. So Seethli we call this a cooling breathe technique, and the second one that's called Sitkari or hissing breathe technique. So how we gonna do it? Let's first do the Seethli. In that we have to breathe in through our tongue rolling. So first let's roll your tongue, and then through that just breathe it, cool your body. So first put this mudra pose, the knowledge pose, and slowly dip it tongue out and roll in between your lips, and then put there, and then through that breathe in. How it looks like, how we're gonna do it, see. Then take your tongue inside and slowly breathe out with the nose. Again, one more time. There's one more thing. If you can't take out your tongue and roll like this one, you can't do like this, okay? Just make a little bit rounds in between your lips, and then try to take breath from there. It's like looks like this one, with like this one. See, and breathe in, deep breathe in, and then slowly breathe out through nose first. Slowly breathe out. So now how it looks like, how we do this Seethli. Do it at least 7 to 10 times in starting. Okay, now the next one, that's called Sitkari or hissing breathing technique. So how we do this one? In this one we just close our mouth, touch both teeth, upper and lower teeth, and then through our teeth we breathe in. We take long breath and close our mouth, and then slowly breathe out through our nose. So let's do it first. Slowly. Again. How we do this? See, Sitkari or hissing breathing technique. So So now this one we never learn in this our 30 minutes yoga class. And now the last we do the this Om chanting, and the last one is Shavasana or corpse pose, and then we finish our class. So let's do the chanting, Om chanting. I'll do 3 with you guys, and now you have to do at least 7 times. Okay? So eyes closed from here. Do you breathe in and then Om. One more time. Okay, now don't open your eyes and go directly to Shavasana, the corpse pose. Relax in this position at least for 2 to 3 minutes. Slowly rub your hands. Gently put on the eyes. And forehead, cheeks, and the last one is throat. Let's do one more time. Now you can slowly open your eyes. Don't get up directly, okay? Just turn around your right side. Be there at least for 10 seconds. And then slowly, by taking support of your hands, sit. And the last stretching. Breathe in while breathe out your right side. One more time. Breathe in. On the left side. Breathe in. And the front side. Okay guys, we done today's yoga class also. So it's a 8th day yoga class, and I hope you guys doing yoga with me and you're feeling much better after finishing our class. So how you feeling right now, just tell me in the comment section. And if you have any suggestion, any advice regarding this video or anything, just mention in comment section. And if you're new here, you haven't subscribed our channel till here, then please subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon so you'll get more update just like this one. Share this video, like this video, I mean do whatever you, but just subscribe and just support me guys. So that's all about today's yoga pose. Tomorrow we're going to learn something new, something very different yoga poses. because tomorrow is ninth day yoga class, so maybe a little bit higher than this one. So till then, bye bye, thank you, take care, namaste.